What's up YouTube, it's your girl Kylie and we back with another video, and today's video will be sponsored by Charmanty hair, as y'all can see on the install. So they sent me this 28-inch 99J wig, 13x4 frontal, and this is what they sent me. They sent me some lashes, an edge brush, some nail stickers, a wig cap, and some little hair clips. So thank you so much to Charmanty for sponsoring today's video, and everything for this hair will be linked down below in my description, as well as a code so you can get a % off your order. Make sure y'all stay to the end of the video for my full review of this hair, and let's get into it. You made it to the end of the video, and now I'm gonna tell you guys a review on this hair. So I got my hair did about 3 days ago, 4 days ago. Still looking good, y'all. Still looking good. This hair is super duper soft. This is one of the best quality wigs I've ever had, you guys. Like, the hair is just so soft. In the club, everything, like, my hair never tangled up. It never was frizzy. It was hot up in there, y'all. And this hair has just been doing so well. Like, literally, I love it so much. I've been getting so many compliments on it. It's just amazing, okay? Y'all know I wouldn't lie to y'all, but this hair is so good. Like, literally, I love it. But yeah, the hair is super soft, shiny. I love the color. And literally, like, I just woke up and I had fell asleep with a bun and all that. Woke up and I literally just flat ironed my hair in like 3 minutes, literally. This not sponsored, but the Babyliss Pro, this just make it even better and even easier. I just got this for Christmas, y'all, and literally, like, I can get done with my hair in 3 minutes. Like, boom, 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 and we good. It don't take a lot. This the type of hair, y'all, like, when you wake up, you really can just brush it, like, and you'll be able to get by. Like, you brush it, it's gonna get back straight. But overall, like I said, in the club, it lasted very well. I didn't have no problems with it. I haven't noticed any shedding. And yeah, you could just run your fingers through it all the time. No shedding, no hair will come out. It does not get frizzy. It does not get tangled. Just really, really, really good hair. I love the install. The lace, as y'all can see in the video, like, the lace was given undetectable. The install is very neat. Like, I just love it, you guys. But yes, everything for this hair will be linked down below. I do have a code for you guys. Let me know how y'all feel about the hair, how it look on me. Do y'all like the color? How do y'all feel about it? But I definitely love this hair. I'm gonna try to keep it in for New Year's. Hopefully I can, because y'all know I be wearing my wig for just a couple days and take it off. But I really want to wear this wig for New Year's. I really love it. I really like it. And thank you so much to Charmanty Hair for sponsoring today's video. Let me know what color, what styles, what y'all want me to try next. And without further ado, I will catch y'all in the next video.